Hi, I'm Marla. I came to the Karlfeldt Center last week, got a massage by Peter Mester. Very good massage, the best massage I've ever had. I've had a lot of body work done recently, and Peter was able to work spots out of my body that were so tender before. He just kept coming back to them and coming back to them, and I have no pain in the spots now, today, a week later. And I also had Prolozone Therapy on my knees, both knees. I have arthritis in both my knees, and I have a lot of trouble getting up and down the stairs some days. The day after the Prolozone injections in my knees, they were 60% better than they have been. And I'm going to continue to get some therapy on those to get them even better. I highly recommend the Karlfeldt Center to anyone wanting to feel better and have better health care for you. Thank you.